good. All right, guys, how's it going? Today's video is going to be how to install your four-wheel drive locking hubs on your 2005 to 2007 F250 to F350 6.0 Powerstroke. So we got the hub right here from the Ford dealership. Usually buy everything from Ford, just better that way. So you got your lock and you got your lock. Ooh, you got your lock. So it's locked, freed, locked. So we're gonna put it in the free because that's how I'm taking it off. So basically in the truck, sometimes these right here break off. That's what happened on my other one. So the reason for that is why I'm switching this out. Also, these right here, it's aluminum, so it gets oxidized. And this little piece right here, sometimes they end up breaking off. And you want that to seal correctly so you don't get water inside your hub assembly. Also, they come with a good amount of grease right here already, but I'm gonna put a little bit more grease on there just for purposes. And I'm also gonna grease this O-ring before I put it in. All right, for today's installation on the hub, you're gonna need a 227 6-inch 3/8 extension, and you need a 3/8 ratchet. So let's get over and take this one off. So we're gonna make sure it's in free, which it is. And guys, the reason why I'm installing the new one is because I had to use pliers to turn these. These are basically seized. So you can do this with the rim on. That's why you have the 6-inch extension, so you can clear the rim. So take these, just loosen these. I'll actually go to my trusty tool. If you guys don't have one of these, I suggest getting one. Makes life a lot easier. Sometimes these are seized on a little bit. We're gonna try to pull this one off and hope it's not. Nope, this one came out pretty good. And it looks like the whole piece is coming out. So this one is not broken. There we go. You see inside here, it's all nasty. We're gonna clean that up before we install the new one. We're gonna clean this gasket surface right here a little bit also. All right, so we're just gonna clean up this surface a little bit. It's not pitted really. So I'm just gonna use a little wire brush. Okay, try to utilize your the ones that it came out of, because like this hole, there's a little bit of rust and corroded inside there. So now we're gonna wipe it out. So that looks pretty good to me. So I'm gonna get my grease over here. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more grease inside here. And that's really all you need. And grease the O-ring a little bit so it doesn't chafe or anything on installation. So there's this little pin right here that you're going to want to line up also. But once you get this spline set on the axle, you can rotate that and set it. So once again, we're going to make sure this isn't free, which it is. So we're gonna line this pin up. Now that one went in very easy. Now guys, if you have trouble putting this in, what you can do is you can reach around the tire right here and grab the axle shaft and move it up and down to get it to slide in. There you go. Now we're just gonna reinstall our bolts. I'm gonna torque them down by hand. You don't want to be too tight on these guys. If you don't trust yourself, look up the torque. I don't know the torque off the top of my head. But there you go, guys. So see how much easier it spins? So now we're locked, now we're unlocked, locked, unlocked. And that'll do it for today's video. Thanks a lot, guys. All right, guys, this is another truck that you're gonna be seeing on the channel. Quite often doing some work to it. My brother just picked up this truck. I've already done quite a bit of work to it on the engine. Did a 4-inch exhaust on it. Just sealed up a bunch of stuff. But it's pretty cool. 03, so it's got the 10 blade. So some stuff will be going up on that.